racing. No, I'm just spotting on my porch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to let you go, alright? Alright.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cook County in northeast Illinois, southern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, northern Will County in northeast Illinois until 9:30 p.m. At 8:25 p.m., a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending from Naperville to Nichols Park and moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lisle, Bolingbrook, New Lenox, Downers Grove, Lamont, Westmont, Oakbrook, Homer Glen, Mokinut, Hinsdale, Burridge, Frankfort, Westchester, LaGrange, Maywood, Willow Springs, Orland Park, Brookfield, River Forest and Forest Park. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, Brookfield,
get inside now.
Chicagoland Speedway Route 66 Raceway,
I'll be there in a minute.
Midwest Bank Amphitheater, Hawthorne Park. For your protection, do an interior